Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you want a lightweight, comfortable solution for sleeping outdoors or on the go, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best ultralight sleeping pads, selected for their comfort, portability, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Trekology UL R7 Sleeping Pad. First up is the Trekology UL R7. This pad is genuinely impressive for weight-conscious backpackers who don't want to sacrifice comfort. The 7.2 R value keeps cold ground from sucking heat away from your body, which matters when you're sleeping in cooler seasons or at elevation. 2 pounds is legitimately light for a pad this size, so your pack doesn't get crushed. The thing packs down to basically the size of a water bottle, which is wild considering you inflate it to nearly 6 feet long and 2 feet wide. 4 inches of thickness means you're not feeling rocks and roots through the pad all night. The 40D ripstop nylon with TPU coating is durable and waterproof, so it handles rough terrain and moisture without falling apart after one trip. The patented anti-leak valve inflates and deflates fast, which beats manual pumping for hours. Setup and breakdown are straightforward without complicated procedures. Number 2. Trekology Waterproof Sleeping Pad. Coming up next is the Trekology Waterproof, basically the same pad as the UL R7, but with emphasis on waterproof durability, which is useful if you're dealing with wet conditions. Same 7.2 R value for cold weather insulation, so temperature regulation is solid. 2 pounds keeps your pack weight down, which matters on multi-day hikes. 70.8 inches long and 24 inches wide with 4 inches of thickness provides real sleeping space without feeling cramped. Packs into a compact roll, which is useful when storage space is limited. The 40D ripstop nylon and TPU coating resists water, tears, and general abuse from outdoor use. The patented anti-leak valve system ensures air stays in the pad instead of slowly deflating overnight, which is frustrating. Versatile for year-round camping since the insulation handles various temperatures. Setup is straightforward and takedown is quick. Durable enough that it lasts multiple seasons without degrading. Number 3. Pretty-Y Hiking Sleeping Pad. Third on our list is the Pretty-Y. This one's different because it's designed for 2 people or someone who likes seriously spacious sleeping room. At 79 by 55 inches, it's huge compared to solo pads. 4-inch thickness provides firm support even if the ground underneath is uneven or has rocks and roots. Built-in pillow is actually useful, so you're not rolling around searching for head support. The foot pump lets you inflate in just a few minutes without getting exhausted from hand pumping. Dual-layer valve prevents air leaks and lets you deflate quickly. Ultra-thick 40D nylon with multi-layer TPU is durable and waterproof. The wave design distributes weight evenly so pressure points don't develop and keep you uncomfortable. Works for back, side, or stomach sleepers without anyone ending up miserable. Despite the massive size, it only weighs 3 pounds, which is solid. Folds down to 10 by 6 inches, making it actually packable. Good for couples or solo hikers who want maximum sleeping room and comfort. Number 4. One Tigris Obsidian Sleeping Pad. Fourth on the list is the One Tigris Obsidian. This pad prioritizes ultralight design for serious backpackers counting every ounce. At 2.05 pounds, it's genuinely minimal. The 5.2 R value handles 4-season use, including chilly conditions when most pads start struggling. 6.2 feet long and 2 feet wide with 3.1 inches thickness fits adults and kids comfortably. Rolls up to 11 by 5.1 inches, which is compact for packing. The 20D nylon is tear-resistant and the aluminum-coated TPU membranes reflect heat back to your body so you stay warm without excessive insulation thickness. Included air pump inflates the pad quickly without manual hand pumping exhaustion. Repair patches come with the pad so you're covered if punctures happen. Lightweight and compact makes this ideal for thru-hiking or multi-week backcountry trips where every ounce counts. Reliable insulation without bulk means you're warm and your pack isn't destroyed. Number 5. Naturehike Sleeping Pad. Rounding out our list is the Naturehike. This pad has an SGS certified R value of 5.8, which is genuinely solid insulation tested by actual standards. Works for temperatures down to -4 Fahrenheit, which handles serious cold weather camping. 8 centimeters of thickness provides comfort and support while cushioning you from ground unevenness. The 3D heat-reflective aluminum layers reduce heat loss through convection, so you actually stay warm instead of just having thick padding. Lightweight at only 560 grams means your pack stays manageable. Folds to 3.9 by 7 inches, which packs efficiently. 71.4 inches long and 22.6 inches wide gives ample room to move. Crafted from durable 20D nylon with TPU coating, making it water-resistant and tear-resistant. Holds up to rough surfaces and multiple seasons of use without degrading. And that wraps up the top 5 best ultralight sleeping pads. Which one fits your adventures best? Share your pick in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.